Hello everybody, I'm Sad Pasta Man. Today we're playing Birdgut. I've had this game on Steam for a hot minute here. I thought it looked really cool. I've never gotten around to playing it, so I figured we can, actually play this game because I saw it looks really cool, looks kind of cute. It's like 2 or 3 hours in length, so should be kind of fun. Looks like I'm in a little hive or something. Welcome to the world. You are a worker, and you are to collect nectar and pollen. You may now begin working. Wait. Oh my god, are you okay? Can you speak? Oh man, this one came out wrong. Oh no, I'm deformed. I can't let the queen find out. Jerry, come here. We gotta shoot him. Dude, stop yelling. You'll wake them. What do you want? Jerry, will you dispose of this one quick before Her Highness notices? Oh, Jesus, what happened to it? I don't know. Just get it out of here. They're gonna take me out back and shoot me old Yeller style, dude. I press left arrow to go left, right arrow to go right. Who would have thunk it? Okay, up to jump, obviously. Ooh, nice. Okay, it's swinging back. That works. Boing, boing. Can I push you? Yes, I can. Okay, sick. Hold up arrow to go up. Jeez. Yeah, fair warning, Can I make this jump? Okay, sick. Yeah, fair warning, I don't play games on PC at all, so I'm horrible at navigating, like, PC controls, so you're gonna have to bear with me on this. I'm already bad enough with, like, controllers on top of that. Whee! Okay, nice. Yeah, like, I think the animation on this stuff is so cool, like, oh. Oh, dang, okay. Venus flytrap, okay. Gotta be quick. Boing, 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 bop, boop. Okay, there we go. I'm locked in. What are these, like, spiky balls? Okay, sick. I'm assuming that says hold down, jump higher. Yeah. I missed. Looks like I have to bump you along this way. Okay, stop rolling, please. Oh, sick. There we go. Ah, jeez. Okay. Okay, sick. Ooh, what, we're going into a hornet's nest here? Maybe. EP. Hey, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Boing, boing, boing. It's like hop on pop. Can I turn on the lights? Wake you up. Okay, whatever. Enjoy your slumber, bro. Little cocoon. Oh my god, look at me. I'm so beautiful, I have wings now. All I had to do was tie myself up in my own spit and bam, all my dreams come true. I feel so alive. Yeah, if you're watching this at home, cover yourself in your own spit. That's a personal request. Cute little falling on a leaf. Oh. Thought I was about to, like, fall to my death there. Okay. Oh, damn. Come here. Up we go. It's like, am I supposed to be like a fly or a bee or... What am I? Or am I just fucked up? Where do I go? Oh, okay, I got you. That's a smart little puzzle. Boing. Okay, there we go. Oh, crap. Hey, what's up?
Wow. Wow. Wow.
I'm just coming to the front, screw you all. Hey, jerk! What do you think you're doing? Skipping the line like that? You think you're more important than everybody else, huh? I'm gonna kill you, I'm gonna kill you, I'm gonna kill you! Get back in line! Can you even hear me? I'm so sick and tired of you! I'm not like what? I'd rather be close to Oh no. Oh crap. I'm gonna get eaten by a bird. Guys, I think we're in the Birdgut. Say that again. Oh, sick. Small, I need to bulk up. What if I start moving a bunch? What happens? What are they injecting me with, dude? You are feeling scared, bro. Very, very sleepy. This is sick, dude. Am I supposed to do anything? Okay, now we're chilling. Awaken and serve. It's like 1984 inside of a bird. Oh, okay. Evaluating. Handicapped. Job. Stomach. Nice, I'm like a microbial bacteria thing. I'm gonna help digest food up in this John. Welcome to the fabulous stomach. Oh! Okay, yeah, I see. Oh. Get it? Cause oh? That's so funny. Okay, I gotta avoid the camera, I'm assuming. Oh! Okay, never mind, it just shoots at me. That's scary. Down arrow to drop through platform. Okay. I'm gonna go jump in the acid. Can I just press Z to interact? Can I just drop like a million of these? Can I just create like a bridge? Did you know that cashews come from a fruit? What? Okay. Crap. Can I kill you? Okay, what am I... Do I need you to like shoot at me? Oh, okay. Nice, I made him blow himself up. Devious. Wait. Yeah. There we go. Down we go. Oh, crap. I think I'm assuming that'll kill me. Oh, no! Dang, okay, okay, this is gonna be bad. This is where my inability to play video games is gonna come into full effect. Go, my duck. Also, I totally jumped in the acid, and it did not kill me, so... I don't know if that's supposed to happen, or if I just wasn't in it long enough, or what, but I'm not gonna test it. Let's see. Okay, I gotta get up to the pump control. What's the chair for? Can I hang myself? I mean, what? You gotta go there. I'm doing this all out of order, I think. Okay, so now you're gonna serve as a platform for me to two-step it. I gotta do the same thing over here. I'm assuming that's... yeah, for when I come back down. Oh, wait, okay, never mind. I'm dumb. I actually need to have the acid there so I can move it. That makes a lot of sense. I'm so smart. Okay, drain you. I'm gonna jump over here now. I gotta go up to pump control B, I'm assuming, and move it all over to the wood. So that way I can get up there. I feel like there's a secret over here. I'm staring at pump control A. It looks like there's something going on over there. That's probably what I needed the chair for. I Actually, I'm just not gonna waste my time. Boing. Oh crap! That actually scared the crap out of me, not even gonna lie. Jeez. Oh, sick. Yeah. Nope. Come on, this way. I gotta give you like a run and start, right? Jesus, come on. Jarvis, just skip ahead to whenever I get this. Alright. Okay, we did it. Turns out I am actually just stupid, and we're not gonna take any further questioning. Okay, I'm guessing I can go up the pipes or something. That'd be a wise thing to assume. Okay, yeah. Up in the sewers. I love the sounds those little, like, flap things make. It's funny. Okay, down we go. You're going into the furnace. Fuel me! Just throw myself in. Cook myself to smithereens. Alrighty. Let's see. Guess I go up here. That'd be a wise thing to assume. What happens if I go this way, though? Okay, so there's lasers all down there. Oh, okay. That just leads back to you. Oh, dang it. Okay. I feel like push you in first. Yeah, and then push you up top so that way we can block the big guy. That way I don't walk under these lasers and just get blown to sliced in half perfectly and all that. Okay, I got my... Am I able to go up here? Alright, that's like the third stop. So, right? Because everything's third. At least that's how video games work, to my knowledge. So long, SS Plobus. Oh, sick, we're in the lighthouse now. Okay, these... Ah, dang it. That was so dumb of me. Laser slicing me smooth in half. Okay, nice. They have like a little 1 second gap in between where I actually have to jump. Can I turn you on? Dang it. Hi, I'm up here. I'm the big tower. Ah. Come on. Okay, there we go. Stressful, dude. Unbelievably stressful. Alright. A lot of platforms here. I'm gonna go up. I'm assuming this is probably not right, but I'm gonna go up. Okay, maybe this is right. Feels like if Mario had like a horror world. Like everything else is like grass and like desert and all that stuff, and then it's just like World 7, the guts of a bird. Milk. Hey buddy, come back here. Are you guys gonna hurt me? Because you guys have guns. Dang it. I don't know what I was expecting to happen there, but yeah, fair enough. Is there a way up and around? Okay, how am I supposed to? Can I like juke you out or something? Okay, I guess that works. Oh crap. Why are all these guys trying to kill me though? Do they just know that I'm not mutated, or they just see just like a... Okay, Dang it. Okay, I did that wrong. Or they see like a deformed looking bug and they're like, we have to kill this thing immediately. Like how ancient Rome just killed everything that was like somewhat deformed. They just do that to me. Dude. That's messed up. That is genuinely so messed up. That's like... They designed that specifically knowing I was gonna do that. This game is out to kill me specifically. Okay. Oh, crap. Oh, okay, that's an actual bug. I was wondering where just like the singular inconvenient ball came from. No, I need to get down. This is gonna be a headache for me. This might have to be another Jarvis, just skip to whenever I get it type of deal. Oh. Never mind. Okay, yet again, I am stupid, will not be taking questions. Womp womp. Too much pride to show you how goofed up I did that. Okay, I'm just gonna sneak below you guys. Bing, bing, bing. La, 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 la. The mess hall. Alright, can I just jump over you? Probably not. I'm gonna try one more time just in case that was like a user error. Yeah. Oh, dang it. Absolutely sniped me. Okay, let me be smart. Get up here all carefully. Whee! Actually, yeah, can't. Oh, dang it, okay. I was gonna say, can I just like, conveniently skip this entire scene? There's a pattern to this. There we go. And of course I missed the jump. Why wouldn't I? Okay, I'm sure we can just drop down now. Ooh, fish! Oh, what's the password? I said, what's the password? Can you hear me? Ah, forget it. I can see you're not brainwashed. Go on in. Can I go out this way too? See, it's the one thing. I don't know if I'm just stupid, but I feel like sometimes it's tough to figure out what all is an actual like barrier or platform. Is this like the revolution or something? Everybody's just normal in here. Who do I talk to? Okay. Are you the hatless one? Probably. I don't have a hat. Sir? Ma'am? Are you the hatless one or not? Whatever. I see you aren't wearing a hat anyway. Our leader was expecting you. Perfect. Is it you? Is it really you? It is! Oh, hatless one. It is just as the prophecy predicted. And I came up with the prophecy to keep myself from going insane with hopelessness. Well, I guessed right. Anyway, welcome to the stomach, hatless one. I assume you have come for exposition. I am the crowned leader of this gathering. And as you may have noticed, we aren't brainwashed like all those other buggos out there. Is that like a slur for them stupid buggos? That's because we all wear these tinfoil hats. With these hats on, we can't be brainwashed and scanners can't detect us. We set up camp here in this little nook years ago, and we've been waiting for the day that someone like you shows up. Someone who made it through without a hat. The hatless one. None of that would have been able to escape the bird, and those who tried couldn't make it out of the stomach. None of us have the skills to evade mind scanning devices and other obstacles. I cannot read today, and so we have waited eons for the one who can. Can't you guys only live for like 2 days? You're the chosen one. You are one we've been waiting for. Only you can finally free us from this bird. Here's the plan. You will use your vast intellect and extraordinary skills to make it past Stomach City, through the acid ocean, and to the end of the intestines. Once in the intestines, you will find the explosive supply. Explosive which the bird uses as a defense mechanism when dropped from the colon. Just some basic anatomy. Yeah, totally. When you get to the colon, you'll rig up the bombs to explode inside the bird, breaking it right open from the inside and freeing us all. But it's dangerous to go alone, so take this radio, I'll stay in contact and give you directions. Now go, we've rigged up this elevator to take you to the heights of the Stomach City. Hop aboard and you'll be on your way. Yeah, I remember that during my ornithology class, how birds actually have entire machine factories inside of them and explosives used to ward off predators. That was my favorite part of that. I aced that exam on bird explosives. But yeah, I think around here is probably going to be a good spot to leave it for the next episode. So, with that being said, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later.